got a battery. 12-volt hill. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Keith here, hanging out tonight on the bench with the almighty Tamiya Cc02. This is version 2 of the original Tamiya Cc01. We got one kicking around here somewhere. If you guys don't care, want to see that thing, it's pretty rough. Independent front end, really archaic, old design, but they were fun for what they were back before there was any real axial or anybody could run out and go by. So this is the new Cc02. We just had it outside for a little run around. It is nighttime, it's sloppy, it's gross, and we're going to talk about this, and then we're also go over some proper RC cleaning and maintenance techniques. As you can see, this guy is full of mud, water. We put it away like that, it's going to look like garbage, so we got to get that clean. Jesse and I live in Canada in the southern part, which is all swamp like the rest of the place, besides the east and west coast. So, yeah, we always got to spend a lot of time with the winter. We have to here, a lot of time cleaning and getting them done up. So before I start, we just want to show you how it starts. What I usually do is take it over to the washout sink in the laundry room, take the body off, wash the tires down with a brush, just get all the mud off before we start jet blasting it and cleaning it and such like that. So, let's go through the process. Okay, so first up, obviously remove the battery, unplug any light controllers and such you have in there, put that aside. Take your battery out. You guys don't want to be submerging your batteries too much. Jesse and I are grown adults and we don't submerge our vehicles. We splash around in puddles, kind of like we care about our trucks, right? So we don't want to swamp them, submerge them, cause too many problems. And with LiPo batteries, it is dangerous to submerge them in water. They can react to the water if they have a leak in a cell and explode. Never mind, just catch on fire, so it's pretty cool. When it doesn't happen to you, it's pretty cool. Okay guys, I'm going to quickly run over to the laundry washout sink and do that. My wife is cool, so I'm able to do stuff like that. If you're not able to, just go inside with a hose and give it a spray off. You're going to want to start with a rinse first off, somehow or some sort. Get some water. You're going to pour it on the tires to scrub it off, but get a rinse. I'll be right back. Okay, back from a fresh, clean bath. We got most of the bulk of the stuff. I'm focusing on just washing the wheel and tire area. The lid on the bottom, you don't want to soak your ESC, your motor, all that. Just don't submerge that. Look at being the servo wet, doing it right. Then you're going to want to get out your air compressor, or we're going to use our jet blaster from Cowrc to blow off all the water, and then we'll move on to the next step. This thing's 130 CFM, so don't point it towards Jesse or the camera or anything that you don't want to blast with it. So. Yeah, that thing is awesome. You guys make sure you go to Cowrc.com, grab yourself one of these turbo jet blasters. Great construction, all metal, comes with a bunch of different tips. You can also use it on your motorcycle, car, all that good stuff. So Cowrc.com, check that thing out. It is awesome. It's non-heated, but because it's cramming so much air through that nozzle, it heats the air. It's kind of cool. Okay, so I'm going to quickly just give it another little wipe down. I got bulk of the water off, microfiber, dry it through and through. The rest of the little bit of water is not going to matter. Okay, looking good. Happy with the way that came out. Put it on the tires, ain't nothing. Then we're gonna grab our Cowrc Moose Slick industrial grade ultra lightweight grease coating. You're gonna want to put this on if, like, we're gonna store it, let it sit on the bench. It takes a nice, it dries on, makes a nice, not sticky grease coating, which is very nice. So now I'm just giving it a shot right where the bearings sit, in between the output shafts on the differentials, dry shafts, transmission, everywhere. Bearings here. These are metal CVs. Give that a blast. And the stuff smells like cream soda, so it's pretty nice to work with, so we don't mind. Rear axles, there's going to be a bearing there, right? So we're going to give that a shot. And then work that all in. They also have the Moose Slick industrial grade ultra thin oil with PTFE. Now this is more if you forgot to put the grease in and have time to let it dry, and you're going to want to go out and hit the track or go out and run the truck, or even good for a first time. Put that into the PTFE is also a Teflon lubricant, so once you do have it in there, if you're a little more sloppier on doing your greasing and your cleaning, you can kind of cheat it a little bit with PTFE, but you should still stay on top of your cleaning and your maintenance. So. Okay, and now the last step to protecting this, very simple, this only took a few minutes, is the Cowrc industrial grade RC silicone protectant. Now I have changed the cap to a paint cap on it because I dropped it and mine broke, so don't worry about that, but it still works great. Now you don't need to soak the vehicle. If you soak it with the chemical, it's too much. It just makes a mess and it's very wasteful. So I like to give it a just a dusting like that. Get your wheels. So now that we have the vehicle treated with the silicone protectant spray, it's going to dry and cure onto there, and you guys are going to notice as we take our trucks out, when you see the bodies come off our trucks, they always kind of look new and clean. Yes, I know a lot of you saying I don't drive enough of them and they're still new and clean, but the ones that we do run, they still stay very clean, very new looking, because we do our maintenance on them and wonderful products like this. So, but yeah, that's it, you guys. Very simple. I'm gonna have to find that clip, but very simple. I thought that was in the Gone Forever pile. Yeah, anyway, in a nutshell, guys, very simple. The body, we just wiped that out with a microfiber, and we're gonna give that a light silicone spray on the outside. Also, the nice thing about the silicone spray is it helps dirt and stuff not stick to the body. For next time you clean it, you can literally just give it a quick wipe and it just cleans right off. So don't go too heavy on the silicone spray. Use it very lightly. You don't need a boatload of that. Okay, guys, there you go. The Tamiya Cc02 Bronco is ready to go back on the shelf until we take it out for another run. We quickly got to clean up Jesse's down there. He picked up a gray one also. I guess I shouldn't say he picked up a gray one. He picked up a can of silver paint when he picked up the truck. They're both obviously kit builds. Very happy with them. Very smooth. The steering is absolute dog poop on them. Just horrible. But whatever. It's Tamiya. It works. I'm sure there's some upgrades out there. They're four-linked in the front with a chassis mounted servo, and you guys just know that doesn't work. They should. Whatever. They're fun. They're cheap. They're like 230 bucks Canadian or something, so it's pretty much like free anywhere else you go. Like 50 bucks anywhere else in the world. But yeah, grab one. We use just scrap electronics. We had to kick it around. I had these old ballistic RC four-wheel drive rims, and Jesse picked up these for dirt cheap. We threw some old Dick Sipic tires. Sipic, whatever his name is. I'm going to yell at you for saying that wrong next. Lossy. And yeah. Check them out, guys. They're fun. The market right now is kind of a little it's just that time of year we're waiting on the companies to come out with something else before summer. So grab yourself a fun little project like that. Have fun. Okay guys, that's pretty much the end of it. Make sure you go over to Cowrc.com, check out their line of awesome maintenance and RC protection products. They also have the jet blasters, a ton of stuff. We'll go over a bunch of the products that we have sitting behind us over here in a later video. We're just still kind of organizing, getting a couple things set up. We are going to actually build a small little cleaning station so we can just do this without going up and down. I can show you how we do it live. But that brings you to the end of the video. Eliminate RC, it's got these guys in stock. Hit them up, and we'll talk to you guys very soon.